Rob Fraser here. This video I wanted to talk about 7 reasons why the 6-figure blueprint will help you in any affiliate marketing business. 7 reasons, details, why 6-figure blueprint will help you promote whatever business, affiliate marketing, network marketing, online. Number 1, it's a one-time cost. It's a one-time fee, boom, you pay once, no monthly fees. It's a marketing system designed to collect leads. So number 1, it's a one-time cost. Number 2, the training, the social media training. And number 3, the offline traffic training. Over here under the 6-figure library, they have all of the different trainings. Those trainings have really helped me in my social media and my offline marketing. When everybody is online doing a certain thing, I go offline, do something different, collect leads, so on and so forth. Number 4, super supportive Facebook group. We have a Facebook group where we help our new members help leverage the system, where the TJ Holloway, the creator, goes live once a week and talks about updates and his future vision for the program, things like that. Super supportive Facebook group. Let's see what number we on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5, which is absolutely probably one of my absolute favorites. You can house or host up to 100,000 leads in this marketing system. Again, 6-figure blueprint is a marketing system, capture page, sales page. You can use it to promote other businesses, which is another reason, which is the next reason number 6. That 6-figure blueprint will help whatever business you're in. The 100,000 leads, basically, this whole thing is a marketing system, capture pages. With Aweber autoresponder, they shut me down multiple times for promoting different offers that they didn't like. 6-figure blueprint, you won't have that issue. With Aweber, when I had my list up to 50,000 leads, I was paying them $500 a month. 6-figure blueprint is a fraction of that, and you can house up to 100,000 leads. And you can email them once per day. Obviously, Aweber has different functions. You can email more and different things like that. But if you're starting out and if you need something that will help you right now out the gate without any complicated setup, 6-figure blueprint is it. Also, I already mentioned you can house multiple offers. Number 7, my future courses will be added there. Basically, I'm going through the come up system now, where I'm basically revamping my whole affiliate marketing, going back to basics and documenting my journey. And so when I combine that into a course, that's going into the back office here, as well as going into other things such as how to use money, how to use line of credits, how to just diversify and not just be so affiliate marketing focused. So basically, we're going to take what we're doing here and just expand into other businesses, arenas, investment vehicles, things like that. So that right there is 7 great reasons why 6-figure blueprint will help you no matter what business you are in. If you're interested in it, my link will be in the description. Name's Rob Fraser. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.